Are you a student or a teacher who has heard about ChatGPT but never used it? Or you are a student whose exams are approaching and you have no idea how to get the notes of each topic in the syllabus? Or you are wondering what are the possible questions that can be asked from this particular syllabus? Or you have shortage of time to revise all the syllabus? Do you want to create effective study plan during these exam days? If answer to any of these questions is yes, then this video is for you. Accelerate your learning journey with AI tools at MentorDaljit Tech Academy. Today's video is about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot developed by OpenAI. And the most fascinating and important feature of this AI tool is its capability to understand and generate human-like text based on the context and input. So let's start ChatGPT. If you are new to ChatGPT, then type in the URL chat.openai.com. For the first time user, you need to sign up using your Gmail account. And then in the message box, you can type any question for which you want to get the answer. To get the notes of this topic, sets and relations, I'm going to ask it to define sets, subsets with the help of an example. So this is giving me answer on sets and subsets and how we can represent sets and subsets in mathematic form. So you can ask any question related to maths, physics, chemistry, geology, geography, any subject that comes to your mind. For example, if you are new to programming language and you want to understand the fundamentals of programming language, you can ask ChatGPT to explain what a programming language is. So you need to type the prompt that I'm a student new to programming language, explain what it is and why it is used. So you will get the basic understanding of a programming language. So what it is a formal set of instructions that can be used to produce various kinds of outputs. It consists of some syntax and semantics. They help the developers to create the software, websites and application. And here the ChatGPT is giving us why we can use this programming language or what are the reasons that this programming language is used. In the same way, you can ask it to provide you the notes of this topic. You can simply copy and paste this. Explain the following topics in context of C programming, and the topics are I'm going to paste, and that's it. So you will start getting the answer on each topic. What is a character set? What are identifiers and keywords? Data types, constants, variables, expressions, statements, and symbolic constants. So if you want to get in detail of any topic, then you can ask ChatGPT to give you the detail of a particular topic. For example, I want it to give the explanation on point 3. So explain point 3 in detail. Then it will explain data type, each data type, and how we can use that data type in a programming language. This is the hack number 1, which tells us that how we can get the notes of each topic from ChatGPT. And the second thing is that how we can get the important questions from ChatGPT or the possible questions that can be asked in the examination. You can copy the syllabus and then you can ask ChatGPT from the syllabus below, give me 5 important large answer based questions from each section. So this is the syllabus. So here is how ChatGPT gives you the answer. So easy for you to get the important questions from each section. Not only large answer based question, you can ask ChatGPT to give you multiple choice questions or short answer based questions depending upon the pattern of your question paper. Now if you want to know its answer, that ChatGPT will also provide. Let's assume I want to know major milestones in the development of hardware and software and the history of computing. Type this question in the message box. I can write another prompt here. Explain this in 500 words. It will give you answer in 500 words. You can get the required and sufficient content for writing in your exams. Now the next hack is how you can manage time using ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to make a plan for you. How much time you want to give to this particular subject. So I'm simply creating a 30-day plan for revising the syllabus, and it should include 2 hours daily study, and the syllabus is this. This is creating a plan day-wise that how you can do what you can do. Spend the first week reviewing the fundamental concepts of computer system. So this is dividing your complete syllabus into day-wise, that how and when you should study each and every topic. You can get that plan ready in less than a second. Not only study plan, it can also give you some time management strategies that how you can attempt your exam. For example, if there are 8 questions in exam and you have to attempt 5, each consisting of 15 marks, and total duration of exam is 3 hours. Help me to generate a plan allocating the time for each question type based on the importance and difficulty level. So this is giving you answer how you can make the strategy or plan to write down your answers. First of all, analyze your exam questions. Begin with reviewing all the 8 questions depending upon the topic and the difficulty level, and then identify the 5 questions that you feel the most confident in answering. After that, allocate time proportionately. Keep about 30 minutes of the buffer time aside for reviewing, revising answers at the end of the exam. So this is the strategy or the time management plan that ChatGPT has prepared for you, that how you should utilize 3 hours of examination. Now suppose you have shortage of time and you want to revise your data models. You want to read this topic from the URL. Now suppose before the exam you simply want to revise this topic, but it is taking a lot of time for you to read the whole topic. So what you can do is simply copy this URL that you want to revise or generate summary for this. You can ask ChatGPT to generate summary in 100 words for the topic given at this URL. So in 100 words, ChatGPT will explain you what are the acid properties or the topic that is available at the link. You don't need to read the whole topic. You can simply get the summary by asking ChatGPT to create the summary in 100 words for the topic available at the link. Or if you have some PDF or some Word document notes that you want ChatGPT to explain, so simply copy those notes from your Word or PDF file and ask ChatGPT to summarize the content given below. So this will summarize your content. In the short time, you can have an idea that what that topic is all about. You don't need to read all the topic. You simply need to revise your topic by reading its summary. This can be helpful for you for revising your topic on the last day. Now suppose if there is an image and you want to get the explanation of that image, copy its link and ask ChatGPT to explain the image available at the link. This is the explanation of the image. Each and everything will be explained by ChatGPT. And moreover, if you want to get the comparison of the two different things, for example, I want to get the differentiation between C and C++ in some tabular form, then I can ask ChatGPT to compare C and C++ in tabular form. So it will create that difference in the form of a table. So I hope if you have not used ChatGPT so far, you will use it and you will definitely enhance your learning experience with various AI tools. See you in the next video with some other tool and some new hacks. Thanks for watching.